Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the portfolio update. We're close to 33K. I think in the last little post that I made, I said I really wanted to start buying Meta. And as soon as I say that, Meta starts making a little move up, right? Let's actually go look at Meta real quick. Meta up 4.29% today so far. I said anything under 650 is a good buy, but obviously if you can get it like closer to 600, even better, because that's like already a 5-6% move since last week, I believe. We were seeing Meta at lows like 600, 602 right there. And look at that, already up 6%. I had this option saved right here on my options watch list. I had this option $600 call. I added this on, I do believe it says when I added it on January 13th. If you would have bought this, or if I would have bought this, we would have been up 8% so far, which is pretty good. But obviously, like I said, if you would have got in at that low 600, you would probably be up a hell of a lot more right now. And these are all the options that I am watching right now. AMD I am on. Netflix I am down quite a bit. And the Microsoft option, I'm just not there, but I do have it here somewhere. Yeah, right here. Still down a little bit on this. But like I said, these are long term. They don't expire till September. And then my Microsoft doesn't expire till December. So we have quite a ways away until those can become profitable. AMD still doing very well. I mean, look at that, man. My goal was kind of to like let AMD get to earnings, and then after earnings, I probably would have sold this off if it made a huge run up. But like I said, this one has it till September, till expiration. If the market continues to be green, like there is a chance where we actually might see AMD go to 300 fast. I think it might make a move like MU has made. And I mean, AMD already has made a huge move, but Microns are just on another level right now. It's already one point was at $400. I mean, look at this. In 1 year, it's up 258%. Like what? This used to be the same price as AMD, under $70, and now it's a $400 stock, man. That's crazy. I don't think AMD will hit $400 this year. I mean, I don't know. Well, obviously, I can't predict the future. But I think AMD has a good chance to hit 300 to 350. If AMD hits $400, man, I don't even know. Let's actually see. Let's just see, man. Like, I plan on selling this baby, like I said, either earnings or I'll probably just hold on to it until like 3 months before expiration. So let's actually see. Let's say like May right here. Let's just say May. And it goes to $300 a share. And I just say 120%, man. Like, that's crazy. Right? That's a freaking crazy gain. It'll be almost $7,000 in profit, man. Like right now we're at $3,000 in profit, or 3,000 total return so far, not profit obviously. But man, there's a chance that AMD helps this portfolio go up to hope those portfolio up to go to 50K pretty fast. I still need to find this next freaking stock that we can start adding a shit ton of money into. Meta was my goal. Meta was my buy. But if Meta keeps moving up, it might be a tough buy, man. Like, obviously, you gotta be chill in the market. For me, accumulation, right? Like, if I see a stock that's down hard and I know it that can bounce back hard, Meta is one of those stocks, man. Meta is one of those stocks that you see go down hard. You don't sell it, you just buy more, right? Like, there's like right here. It was a $376 stock. It goes down into like the 80s, I believe. You buy some, right? You buy some. It goes right here. It went all the way up to 730. It went down to 500. Buy some at the 500. And when it goes all the way up to almost $800 a share, it goes down to the low 600s. Buy some more. And then the next move, it will probably go to 850 to 900. And then goes back down to 700. That's just how Meta is. Those are the stocks you need to buy. Another one that I really am interested in buying is Amazon. Amazon's one of those stocks that when it dips hard, accumulate, you never sell. I'm planning to do that with AMD. AMD had that move already. AMD went all the way down to like $70. Let's actually see right here. AMD went down to like 70. I think 70. Let's just say it went down to like 80s, right? It goes down to 80s. It went all the way up to 260, and then went back down to 200. I think now it's gonna make a move to 300. I think it's gonna make a move to 300 from now till I don't know when. It'll probably make a move up to 300, and it'll go back down maybe to where it is right now, 250. You know what I'm saying? Like, you just accumulate whenever there's those down moves. Another one that I'm kind of interested in too, that I'm interested in right now, that can make big moves. I mean, SoFi is another one that, I mean, at $25 a share, I think the highest it's been to is $32 or $33. $32 right there. It went up to 25, right? It went down to 25, buy some at 25, accumulate some, wait for it to go back up to the next all-time highs. Like, those companies, when you have a great company, you don't sell them, man. You just accumulate some more. I'm interested in Shopify, man. Shopify. It was a $180 stock. 182 a couple months ago, I believe. Let's actually see. It was a $180 stock. Let's look at the 52-week high, 182. It's at 138, basically 140. I might be interested in accumulating some. This is another one that you want to accumulate. You know what I'm saying? Like, you see those huge dips, accumulate. Right now it's an accumulate time. Accumulate some shares right now. Shopify. Another one that I'm interested in, Hood. This was a $150 stock. 153, it's at $106. So that's, what is it? Like, that's down 30%. Let's look at the, like, right now, like, when it starts making its move, it went all the way up to, let's see, 60 in the 60s, and it goes down to under $40 into the 30s. Accumulate. I mean, if Robinhood is that company, and keeps innovating, which ever since I've been on Robinhood, obviously there's been problems, but over time, it's been getting better, right? They keep adding more things, keep innovating, right? And look at it now. It's $150 stock, right? Or it used to be $150. Can I see Robinhood go to $200? Maybe. If it keeps innovating, keeps making money, why not, right? You keep freaking accumulating more stuff. Netflix, something that looks interesting to me. Obviously, they made the deal. People are questioning whether it was a good deal or not. As time goes on, we will see if it's a good deal or not. Sometimes you make good deals, sometimes you don't make deals. No matter what happens, big companies, transformational companies, keep it pushing, right? So, like I said, Netflix is another one that's on my list, man. That might be a potential stock company that's transformational, that whenever it just goes down, you buy some, right? And when it goes down, you buy some. Goes down here, you buy some. Goes down here, you buy some. It just is one of those companies that continues to move up. Netflix, come on, that's a crazy branding, right? Like, who doesn't have Netflix? Another one that I'm interested in maybe buying some. Like I said, those are the transformational companies. You just buy, accumulate, and leave them alone, man. Leave them alone. Whenever they get really, really expensive, maybe sell some calls, sell some out of the money calls, and make a little bit of passive income. You know, that would be a great move to do. That's something that I'm probably going to start doing with AMD soon. When I feel like AMD's getting really expensive, still AMD's growing super fast right now, that even though the PE ratio is kind of freaking high, but the growth is just phenomenal right now. So the PE ratio is, like, it's understandable, you know. But yeah, that's a little update for you guys. Just hit 33,000 in the portfolio.